What's up, Loc Nation? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Kenyatta here, and today I have another banger for you guys. If you're not following me on Instagram, you're missing out on a lot of greatness. So go follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description box. And if you're learning a lot, drop some love on my Cash App at $EarthLocs. This helps me a lot. It also helps to support the channel. The style that we're doing today is a style that we have seen before. However, we are going to be doing it on long locks, okay? And it does look a little different when we're going to start making our section at the temple, right where the eyebrows are, the temple. We're going straight back, then we're curving to make a U part, which separates the crown area. Working with our crown section of the head that we portioned out, the first thing you want to do to get started with the flipped fishtail plait is separate the hair into two sections. If you have random parting or a different type of parting other than square, that's fine. Just separate it into two sections. We start on the outer portions, okay? When you're doing your stitches for your flipped fishtail plait, start on the outer portions, okay? And then we're going to work our way in until we get all of the locks here into the braid. So follow me here. I'm going to be starting outer locks. Okay, we're coming under, over, under, and over. Okay, we're going to be getting the lock next to that one. Outer. We're coming under, over, under, and over, okay? Those stitch locks should be here at the top. And remember to keep this plait fairly loose. This is not supposed to be tight. We're going to continue. Remember, outer moving in with our stitches, all right? Outer, we're coming under, over, under, and over. Just like that. We've done about 4 or 5 stitches already. We're going to continue moving from the outer inner. As you can see, we're coming under and over, and then under and over with that lock. Okay, we're going to go ahead and grab another lock, and we're going outer. We're going under and over, under and over, just like so. Okay, now you are going to reach a point in the braid soon where you're not going to be able to pull any more locks from the top. You'll just be pulling your stitches from here. But I'm going to continue. Okay, remember, we're coming from the outer inner when we're choosing our locks to bring around. You guys can see we're getting to the point where we're not going to be able to pull any more locks from the top of the crown. We're going to be working with the locks in our hand. We're going to continue. As you can see, this is a stitch lock. So the last two right here, we're coming under, over, and under, over. Okay, now we're going to continue the same method, as you guys could see, all the way. Okay, so I brought you guys in just a little bit closer. Okay, we're going to continue our stitches. We're going to be grabbing the locks, the outer locks, from the hair that's in our hand. We're going to come under and over. Okay, under and over. See my thumbs? Those stitches stay on top, just like so. We're going to continue outer locks, under, over the top, under, bring that lock right around on top. Okay, we're going to continue outer lock, we're coming under, bring that lock on top, under, bring that lock on top. We've done quite a few stitches of our flipped fishtail plait. We're coming under, bring that lock on top, just like so, under, bring that lock on top. Again, outer lock, we're coming under, Bring that lock on top. This lock comes under. Bring that lock on top. So I believe this is all I'm going to be doing for the fishtail plait. You don't have to finish it, all right? Because again, this goes into a ponytail for this particular style, all right? So what I'm going to do is go ahead and take a rubber band and secure one side. Same thing. Remember, I said that you want your flipped fishtail plait to be fairly loose, okay? So it doesn't have to be tight. You can definitely bring these down some if you like, but it doesn't matter. We're going to end up adjusting these. We've completed our flipped fishtail plait. We're just going to leave that right there. So the next step is, of course, to go ahead and get all of this hair up into a ponytail. See, I've gotten all of the back section up into a ponytail. Now we're going to move on to the front. Now we're going to flip that back. Okay. Now we flipped our fishtail plait back, and as you can see, our rubber bands. We're going to go ahead and take this flipped fishtail plait and sit it right here at the very front of that ponytail, just like so. Okay, this hair is going to become a part of this ponytail. So what I'm going to do is take an elastic or a pipe cleaner, and I'm going to wrap it again around all of this to create one ponytail. So now that the plait and the ponytail are merged, we're going to go ahead and cover up those black pipe cleaners, okay? And the way we do that, and you can choose any way to cover this that you like. You can use an infinity braid. You can use a fishtail plait, which I'm going to do today. We're going to separate that into two sections, okay? Even would be a preference, okay? To have that even. Get one more lock so that we have 4 on each side, as you can see. So what we're going to do is basically start doing a fishtail plait. Okay, we're going to go one over, and continue. We're going to continue this fishtail plait all the way down, okay? Just like so. Let me zoom in for you guys. If you don't know how to do a fishtail plait, please check out my video right here at the top of the screen. Lock styling technique, how to do a fishtail. We've done our fishtail plait, okay? And I'm going to wrap this fishtail plait around the ponytail and the flipped fishtail plait. I'm going to go under, coming around the opposite side. Hope you guys can see. I'm going to bring that around just like so to cover. Once I bring my fishtail plait under and I bring it over, I'm going to take the end and I'm going to like put it through the back, just like so, just like that. I'm going to fix that. Put that through like so, just like so. And don't pull too tight. Next thing I'm going to do to secure my ponytail is take that end that I pulled through that fishtail plait, and I'm going to take that end. I'm going to take a few, and that's the pipe cleaner. I'm going to take a few locks, just put a rubber band right there, just to secure that plait and it doesn't move, okay? So we just took the end of that fishtail plait and like 1 or 2 locks from the ponytail to secure it. And there we have it. It's like so. Go ahead and let that hair fall. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my video. I really do appreciate it. Share this video with all of your friends and family with locks, any locticians that you know seeking lock styling inspiration. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below, and let me know what you think about this video. Subscribe, turn on your notifications so that you never miss a video from your girl. Y'all know I rock with y'all the long way, right? You better know it. It's your girl Kenyatta here. Peace.